This conference will now be recorded.
Are you able to see my screen, Jenna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, cool. So, in our previous class, we have discussed about actions, right? So, what is the purpose of actions? Sometimes, so by using Selenium, we can't handle a web applications, right? So, at the time, we'll use actions class methods, right? Same like that. So, we have a JavaScript as well. So JavaScript also used to handle web applications. Sometimes by using Selenium syntax methods, Selenium methods, and navigational methods, we can't handle web applications. At the time, what we need to do? We need to use JavaScript, guys. In JavaScript, so first of all, what we need to do? So same like actions class. Actually, in actions class, we have converted our driver object to actions class object, right? Same like this, we need to convert JavaScript executor, guys. So here we need to create object to JavaScript executor, and we need to convert driver object to JavaScript executor object, and later on, so by using a method, actually, so in Selenium, we are going to use only one method called JavaScript execute script. So first of all, using JavaScript executor interface, we are going to convert driver object to JavaScript executor object. Later on, we need to use only one method, that is nothing but execute script, guys. So here in the execute script, we need to add all the data what we want to handle. So for example, if you want to handle send keys, you can handle using a document dot get element dot value. So this is syntax. You need to write the full syntax, and you need to remember the full syntax, guys. Even not only you, even I have also remembered this syntax, guys, because this syntax we need to write in the double quotes format, in the double quotes format. So if you have id, you can use get element by id, if you have a name for your web element, you can use name, so or otherwise you don't have any web element, you don't have any ids, or you don't have any names for your web element, at the time you can use xpaths, guys. At the time you can use xpaths, and you can write code like this. So first of all, I'm launching the browser, no? Later on, I'm going to maximize my browser later on. See, so here have converted my driver object, web driver object, to JavaScript executor object, no? Later on, so by using execute script method only, we are going to use a single method, guys, that is nothing but execute script, so that is nothing but execute script. By using this execute script, guys, so we are going to write the code in the form of double quotes. You need to remember this point, guys. So here, get element by id. So let me open test automation practice. So see here, guys, so test automation practice. So if I inspect this one, so if I inspect this one, so I have id here, right? See here, I have id and I have class. So if you have id to your particular web element, you can go for get element by id. If you have name to your respective web element, you can go for name, or otherwise write xpath, or otherwise write xpath. We have multiple ways, guys. You can write xpath, and dot value, it is nothing but send keys. So you here, what are the data that you are going to pass? You need to add the data in the form of single quotes, guys, in the form of single quotes. This is the first way, guys. Apart from that, we have second way as well. So you can use second way as well, so this is a syntax, guys. We need to follow the same syntax as it is, only we need to change the data what we are going to add in our respective field to. See here, guys. So this is nothing but my field to. So this is nothing but my field 2. I'm going to pass Java to the field 2 ma, and I'm going to pass testing to this particular windows ma. Testing to this particular windows. Let me show you, guys. Let me comment with. So run as Java application. So here I'm handling two web elements ma. One is Wikipedia search and another one is field 2. One is Wikipedia search and another one is field 2. Okay, I have used Chrome. Let me change it to Edge. See here, guys. So I have successfully entered a testing to Wikipedia, and I have successfully entered a Java to field 2, guys. So it is also similar to send keys method only, but in Java, so we need to use send keys, guys. But here there is no need to use send keys, you can directly use so dot value. Dot value equal to testing and dot value equal to. So if you want, you can add any text. If you want, you can add any text. Same like that, we have a quick click method as well, so what is the purpose of click method? To click the respective web element, we are going to use click, right? So see here, I'm going to click on this click, guys. I'm going to click on this click using JavaScript, guys. See here, I'm using the same, see here, I'm identifying the XPath. Later on, I'm using arguments of 0 dot click. So previously we have used arguments of 0 dot value because it is for send keys. If you want to click any respective web element, you need to provide arguments of 0 dot click. Arguments of 0 dot click. Let me show you, guys. Are you able to see, guys? We have successfully clicked on click me. See, if I click on click me, this particular pop-up will display. See, I have successfully clicked on click me. And the next method is alerts method. So remember this one, guys. This is very important. See, if I click on click me, it is opening one alert. See, now I am going to click on Wikipedia or again click me or again date picker. I am able to click Jana. Am I able to click or am I able to perform any operations in the web page? No, right? It is not
No,
allowing me. See, if I click on cancel, so at that time I will click here. See here, if I click on cancel at the time only, I'm going to operate remaining operations in my web page. So here I'm going to cover two things, guys. First thing is, so see, this particular alert is web application designed. See, if you click on click me, so it is automatically opening the particular pop-up. But using JavaScript also we can create alerts, guys. So we can create alerts. See, let me show you how to create alert. Simple, ma. So java.execute script. In this execute script, you need to add the particular syntax. So here alert is the method, ma. Alert of welcome everyone or otherwise welcome Jana. So you can write anything. So in the alert, what are the thing that you have written in the alert? It will create one alert with this particular name, ma. Let me show you. Are you able to see Jana? Are you able to see welcome Jana here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So by using JavaScript, we can create our own alerts, ma'am. We can create our own alerts using alert. So apart from this, so we have some methods are there in JavaScript. Normally, we have refresh method, right? Right, Jana? Do we have refresh method? In navigational methods, we have
Yes, ma'am.
refresh method. What refresh method will do? It will refresh our browser, right? Same like that in JavaScript also we have a method called see here we have a method called history.0. So if you type history.0 in the execute script method, what it will do? It will automatically refresh the page, guys. Let me show you. Let me show you in the debug mode, guys. Are you able to see? See here, Jana. See, we have successfully loading the page. Now I am going to click on refresh. Ma. Observe this refresh icon. Are you able to refresh? Yes. And the next method is title method. Actually, in Selenium, so we have a method called get title, right? By using driver dot get title, so we are able to get this particular title of the web page, right? So apart from Selenium, also we can able to get the title by using return document dot title. So return document dot title. So let me show you this one, guys. So let me show you title of our web page. Are you able to see title of the web page, ma? Automation testing practice. So the next one is URL of the page. So how to read URL of the web page in Selenium by using get current URL, right? So here also we have a method called return document.url. So by using return document.url, we are able to get the URL. No? Let me show you that one. Are you able to see URL of the page? HTTPS testautomationblogspot.com. Yes, and the next thing is a domain. What is domain? So here it is entire URL, guys. HTTPS colon double slash test automation practice. This is entire URL. If you want to see the domain means this one, guys. After double slash, what is the code that we have? It is nothing but a domain. Using JavaScript, we can also get the domain of the web page by using return document.domain. By using document.domain, let me show you. See here, guys, domain is testautomationpractice.blogspot.com. So by using domain, we can return the domain as well. And the next thing is, actually, if you want to see the developer, means if you want to see the code of the developer, what we have done previously, see, by clicking on view page source, we have seen all the code that has used by the developer while developing the application, right? So if I want to see this particular code in JavaScript, how to use, so which method I need to use? So here we have a method called inner text. We have a method called inner text, guys. Document element dot inner text. So by using this method, so we are able to get all the developer tools text, guys. Let me show you. So what are the text we have seen by using page source? So get page source method, all the data we can see by using inner text method. By using inner text method, let me show you. So here, are you able to see the inner text? Black color text, select menu, select a spread. Are you able to see home, subscribe, alert? See here, text means this one, guys. See, let me show you. What are the text that you have in black color in your web application? See, alert. Are you able to see alert here, ma? Now let me show you volunteer sign up. See, are you able to see volunteer sign up here? Okay, this thing is not founding. So let me show you new windows. See here, guys, new windows. Are you able to see new windows here, ma? New windows. Are you able to see new windows here, Jana? What are the text that we have in our web page? Means see here, this is a text. Windows is the text. And double click, ma. See, double click. So here, this is a text. So text is in black color, guys. Double click. See, are we able to see double click here? See, we'll see this one. Drag and drop is the, see here, drag and double click. Are you able to see double click, ma? Double click on button. Are you able to see double click, guys? Yes. And the next thing is, actually we have navigate.to method is there in Selenium, right, Jana? What is the purpose of navigate.to? Navigate.to method is used to launch another web page, right? So here also we have a method called window.location. By using this thing, so what we can do, we can launch URL in the web page, guys. We can launch URL in the web page, ma. See here, guys, I'm launching IRCTC. I'm launching IRCTC, guys. Now let me execute. First of all, I am launching automation. After doing all the operations, I am launching IRCTC on the same page using window.location, guys. Are you able to see, ma? I am opening irctc.co.in. Are you able to see? Yes. And the most important methods in JavaScript and in interview is scrolling. Scrolling, we have three types of scrolling are there, guys. The first way is by using scroll by method. So here we need to provide the pixels. So this is a source and this is a destination. What is source and destination? So see here, guys. So this is my source. The starting point is my source, and I'm going to move to little certain point in the form of pixel. So here, from here to here, just I want to drag from here to here. At that time I need to provide the pixels from 0 pixel to 1000 pixel. What it will do, it will scroll the scroll bar from here to here. Let me show you that one. Okay. Observe carefully, Jana. Observe the scroll bar there. Are you able to see the scroll bar, Jana? It is scrolling from certain point, it is scrolling from starting point to certain point. Are you able to see? So here, if you want, you can add 1000 pixel or 800 or 750. It is your Vishma. But the source should be starting from zero only, guys. Source should be starting from zero only, and this destination you can change. The destination you can change, guys. Are you able to see? Only 750 pixels we have dragged. So this is a first way, ma. So we have another way as well. Means if you want to scroll from top to bottom, from here to here, you can scroll by using body dot scroll height, ma. Document dot body dot scroll height. By using this method, you can scroll from top to bottom, guys. Let me show you. Are you able to see, you know? We are scrolling down from top to bottom. Yes or no? Yes. And the final thing is scroll to element. Very, very, very important interview question. So scroll to respective element. See, for example, I want to scroll from here to here. That's it. So from I want to scroll from top to bottom from here. HTML table. So I have identified the XPath now. What we need to do, we need, so here this one is not required, guys. If you want, you can add. So here what I am doing here, I'm here. First of all, I'm scrolling till bottom. Later on, from bottom. See, I'm scrolling till bottom. Later on, from bottom to here, I'm scrolling. So from bottom to top, guys. From bottom to top, if you want, you can add this step, or otherwise you can remove this step. So here I'm using scroll into view. Scroll into view is the method which is used to scroll to the respective web element, and it is a very important interview question, guys. So here I have identified the XPath. Later on, after arguments of 0, I have used scroll into view. Scroll into view method is used to scroll from here to respective web element. From here to respective web element. Let me show you in the debug mode, guys. Let me show you in the debug mode. Observe carefully, Jana. First of all, we are moving from top to bottom. Observe carefully. So first of all, we are at top position. See here, ma. Now we are moving from top to bottom. Are you able to see top to bottom, Jana? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So now I am going to move from bottom to the respective web element. HTML table. See here. Are we able to move from bottom to top till HTML table only?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is very, very important interview question, Jana. So note this point and remember the code. How to scroll to respective web element. Actually, in Selenium, we don't have scroll to methods in Selenium and navigational methods and actions class methods. If you want to scroll to respective web element, we should use JavaScript only. First of all, we should convert driver object to JavaScript executor object. Later on, so later on, what we need to do, later on we need to use arguments of 0 dot scroll to view. Later on we need to pass the web element. From where to where we need to go, from where to stop our cursor. So just that particular web element you need to provide. This is very important interview question. You will get only two interview questions in JavaScript. One is for send keys and one is for this one. And remember these two code guys. That's it. Understand?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes. This is nothing about JavaScript guys. So if you have any questions, Jana, you can ask.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Practice and let me know if you have any questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Jana. Thank you for joining. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.